Hi guys, I'm Aziz. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how you can add more details to your exterior render. Let's go and do it together. First of all, I will tell you that we will work on this amazing render that one of my friend Mohammed Raza, he make it for us, that we can today work on it. And you can see his Instagram page under my hand, and you can follow him on Instagram. Thank you so much. Okay guys, let's go and do it together. Now I have my render. It's ready and it's amazing. Okay, I will bring my render here. We will put on this one on Pro, and here create image. Now describe your image. What do you want exactly? Okay, I will write change the mood to night mode and turn on the light for cabin and add some trees also to my picture. Let's go and check it. What's happened? Every day Nano Banana is updated, and every time it gives new update. It's amazing guys. Now you can do too many things with Nano Banana. You can make animations, you can do too many amazing things. We will wait for our changes. As you see, it's amazing. You can add this kind of details and this kind of trees. And now again, I can tell, okay, change night mode to day mode. Okay. In this way, you can add too many details to your renders if you have Pro account on Nano Banana, and it's amazing guys. It can help you too many things guys. Okay, I change it to daylight. Okay, turn off the light and I think turn off the light is enough, and add one man with his dog that they're walking to the cabin. You're waiting for our final. As you see, it's amazing. We turn off the lights, we change the sky mode, we add some trees to our render, and we add one man with his dog that they're walking through the cabin. And it's amazing guys. I hope you enjoy this video guys, and this one is too much useful for you. If you like it, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And for next session, we have new video with new ideas and too much amazing things. Don't forget, just subscribe us. See you on next video. Goodbye.